Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 4. This is Section 1.4, Problem 4. We have the problem 8,092 minus 2,368. So, just do it column by column. The far right column, I have 2 minus 8. The 2 is not big enough to subtract an 8, so I need to borrow. So I'll cross off the 9, reduce it to an 8, and turn that 2 into a 12. Now I can subtract 12 minus 8 is 4. The next column to the left, I have 8 minus 6 is 2. Then the next column to the left, 0 minus 3. Now again, the 0 is not big enough, so I need to borrow from the column to the left. So the next column to the left has an 8 in the top. I will cross off that 8, make it a 7, and that will allow me to change the 0 into a 10. And now I can subtract 10 minus 3 is 7. And finally, in the last column to the left, I have 7 minus 2, which is 5. So the answer is 5,724.